Hey guys, how's it going? In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to install Google TV on your laptop without using a USB device and without any Android streaming stick or TV box. With this method, you can turn almost any laptop or PC into a fully functional smart TV. No expensive hardware, no complicated setup. By the end of this video, you'll be able to access the Play Store and install apps just like you would on a real Google TV device. So let's go ahead and turn your personal computer into your very own personal Google TV. The first thing I want you to do is open up a web browser on your laptop or PC and search for Android Studio. Once you get the results, go ahead and click the first link you see. Now over here, click on Download Android Studio Panda 1, and this will open up the terms and conditions. Scroll down, and if you are happy with it, then check the box where it says, I have read the terms, and click Download. Now you have to patiently wait a moment for the file to download, and depending on your internet connection speed, it will take from somewhere from about 5 to 10 minutes. After download, click on the folder where the file is downloaded, and double-click on the Android setup file to open up the setup. Now we just need to click next 3 to 4 times before it asks us to install the file. Click Install, which will start the whole installation process. Keep in mind that this is again going to take 5 to 10 minutes. Okay, so my installation process took about 5 minutes. Now go ahead and click Finish. As you can see, it now starting up. Again, click on Next first time. Choose Standard from here if it is already not selected, and again click on Next. Click Next this time around again to verify the settings. We'll leave at default settings. Now read the terms and conditions and click Accept if you agree, and then press Next again. Okay, now again, we will need to wait a couple of minutes for the files to download. Let's click Finish. Now from here, click on More Options, and then select Virtual Device Manager from the list. Okay, click on this plus button on the top and click Allow for this pop-up. As you can see, we've got a lot of options on the left side. What we want to do is select TV, and then just select television with the 1800p. Click Next. Okay, so now we can see the name of the file. Let's rename it to Google TV. And then we will download the second option, which says Google TV. There is a small download icon on the side. Click on it to download. Again, this one took about 3 to 4 minutes to download. Once the process is complete, you can now press Finish. Alright, we are now fully set up with Google TV on our laptop PC. You only need to select the play button, and there you go. Google TV is now starting up. It will ask you to set up just like a regular Google TV device. You'll need to log in with your Gmail account. And finally, we have the Google TV screen on our laptop. You can find a lot of apps here from the suggestions. Let's go ahead and install one of the apps. Let's select this one, HBO Max. Once you install it, you can see it opens up just like on any of your Google device. So that's the video, guys. Your laptop has basically turned into a TV right now without any Google or Android device. You can install any of your favorite apps and enjoy. Hope you liked this video today and learned something new. If you did, make sure to like and subscribe to the channel and share this video with your friends. I'll see you in a couple of days with a new informative tech video. Till then, take care.